Hello. Welcome to another cool AI tool. Creating content can be tough. Whether you're a blogger, a marketer, or a social media influencer, you know that coming up with fresh ideas and writing high-quality content that resonates with your audience is no easy task. You might spend hours staring at a blank screen, trying to find the perfect words to capture your message. But what if I told you there's an easier way? Meet Writesonic, the AI-powered writing assistant that makes creating high-quality content quick, easy, and fun. With Writesonic, you can generate content for all kinds of purposes, from product descriptions to social media posts, and everything in between. And the best part? It's all done in just a few clicks. But that's not all. With Writesonic's customization features, you can make sure your content matches your unique brand voice and style. Whether you're going for a casual tone or a more formal approach, Writesonic has got you covered. And if you're worried about SEO, don't be. Writesonic's content optimization feature ensures that your content is not only high quality, but also optimized for maximum engagement. It's like having your own personal SEO expert at your fingertips. But what about plagiarism? No worries there either. Writesonic includes a built-in plagiarism checker to make sure your content is 100% original and unique. Let's meet some awesome beauties about Writesonic. AI article and blog writer. With Writesonic's AI-powered writing technology, you can generate high-quality articles and blog posts in just a few clicks. Simply input your topic and let the AI do the rest. You can customize the tone and style of the content to match your brand's voice and style. Paraphrasing tool. The paraphrasing tool allows you to instantly paraphrase your text. You can easily reword sentences and paragraphs to avoid plagiarism and make your content more unique. Text expander. The text expander feature helps you expand and lengthen your content. This is especially useful if you need to meet a specific word count or if you want to provide more details and information to your readers. Article summarizer. The article summarizer feature enables you to summarize any piece of content in one click. This is useful if you need to quickly understand the main points of an article or if you want to provide a summary for your readers. Product descriptions. With Writesonic, you can craft epic descriptions for your products. The AI generates descriptions that are both informative and engaging, which can help increase sales and conversions. Surfer SEO integration. The Surfer SEO integration allows you to rank on Google with SEO-optimized content. You can use the AI to generate content that is optimized for specific keywords and phrases, increasing your chances of ranking higher in search engine results. Facebook ads. With Writesonic, you can create high-performing Facebook ads. The AI generates ad copy that is engaging and persuasive, helping you reach your target audience and achieve your advertising goals. Google Ads. The Google Ads feature enables you to get high-converting Google ad copy. You can use the AI to generate ad copy that is optimized for specific keywords and phrases, increasing your chances of attracting clicks and conversions. Landing pages. The landing page feature allows you to develop high-converting landing pages. You can use the AI to generate copy that is engaging and persuasive, increasing your chances of converting visitors into customers. AI article ideas. With the AI article ideas feature, you have catchy blog titles at your fingertips. You can input your topic and let the AI generate a list of potential article titles, helping you come up with fresh ideas for your blog or website. Once you're happy with your content, you can download it in a variety of formats, including PDF, HTML, and Markdown. And the best part? You'll have more time to focus on other important aspects of your business, like growing your audience and engaging with your followers. So why struggle with content creation when you can use Writesonic to make the process easy and enjoyable? With Writesonic, you'll be able to create high-quality content that your audience will love in no time at all. Try Writesonic today and take your content creation to the next level. Your audience will thank you for it. Alright? Seems legit? Check description link for Own Your Writesonic and don't forget to subscribe and share. Spread happiness.